Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you about AFT Juanda, Aviation Field Terminal, Juanda International Airport, Surabaya. In this PPT, I will tell you about background. The first is strategic role of aviation. Juanda Airport is the second busiest airport in Indonesia, serving millions of passengers and thousands of flights annually. Secondly, high jet fuel demand. Flight operation require reliable, continuous supply of aviation fuel, Jet A1, meeting international quality standard. And the third role of AFT Juanda. AFT Juanda serves as a vital operational unit ensuring availability and security of aviation fuel supply at Juanda. And then objectives. The first is understand the function and role of AFT Juanda in the national aviation fuel supply chain. The secondly, know the main operational process include receipt, storage, and distribution of aviation fuel. Third, understand safety, security, and regulatory standards applied at AFT Juanda. And the last is identify operational challenge and solution implemented in terminal management. Next, course outline. First, introduction to AFT and aviation fuel. Second, AFT Juanda profile. Third, functions and operational facilities. Fourth, aviation fuel receipts management. 5. Storage and distribution. 6. Safety and regulatory compliance. 7. Challenge and solution. 8. Conclusion. Next, introduction to AFT and aviation fuel. What is AFT? AFT is an aviation fuel terminal. It's a ground facility that receives, stores, and distributes aviation fuel to airlines. AFT is a critical link in modern airport operation and must meet international standards such as IATA, JIG, and ASTM. Types of aviation fuel. First, Jet A1 Avtur for commercial jet aircraft. 2. Avgas for small piston aircraft. And then K Aviation Fuel Fix. Official name Jet A1 or aviation turbine fuel. Boiling point 150 until 300 Celsius. Flash point mean 38 Celsius. Standard depth stand 91 until 91. Next, AFT Juanda profile. About AFT Juanda. Managed by PT Pertamina Patraniaga as a DPPU unit, Airplane Changing Depot, serving all domestic and international airlines that operation in Juanda. Then, sing a refueling system with a fleet of tank, cars, and hydrant system. And then, storage tank capacity of tens of millions of liters of after. Applying strict quality control standards according to IATA and JIG. Located in a restricted area with high security. Function and operational facilities. First, storage tanks. Large capacity aviation fuel storage tanks with floating roof and grounding system to prevent fire. Fire suppression system. Foam system, CO2 system, and fire truck fleet ready 24 for fire emergency response. Refueling trucks. Refueling vehicle fleet with capacity liters operated directly to aircraft apron. Next, hydrant system. Underground piping network on apron hydrant system for high-capacity aviation fuel supply. Quality control laboratory. Laboratory for aviation fuel testing includes visual test, density, flashpoint, water content, and MSEP. The last is monitoring system. SCADA, an automatic system for real-time monitoring of tank level, flow rate, and pressure. Next, aviation fuel receipt management. 1. Ordering is aviation fuel order submit to supply chain based on demand forecasting. 2. Arrival. Aviation fuel arrives via tanker ship, truck, or pipeline from refinery. 3. Inspection. Visual inspection, cell checks, and document verification before unloading. 4. Quality testing. Sampling and lab analysis, density, flashpoint, water content. 5. Transfer. Aviation fuel pumped to storage tank after passing QC. And the last is recording. Documentation of volume, batch, and QC data entered into system. And then there is a storage system. In storage system, there is a floating roof tip storage tank to reduce after evaporation, and grounding and bonding system to prevent static electricity. Automatic level measurement, ATG, automatic tank gauge. Regular water drain to ensure there is no contamination. Bottom sampling before the after is distributed to the aircraft. Minimum capacity ensures stock durability 3 until 7 days operational. There is a distribution system. In distribution system, there is two methods: refuel truck to apron and hydrant pit system underground pipe. Every filling is recorded in delivery receipt and flight log. Filling volume controlled certificates flow meter, filter, or water separator must be installed at everything filling point. Refilling operator must have a special certification from the Directorate General. Real-time coordination with airline and ground handling. Next, safety and regulatory compliance. Hazard control. Strict no smoking zone in the terminal area. Prohibition of the use of HP and electronic. Prohibition of non-operational vehicles entering the area. Second, emergency preparedness. Emergency response plan. ERP procedure. Periodic firefighting exercise. Coordination with airport rescue and firefighting. ARFF. 3. Regulation and standard. IATA guidance material. JIG Joint Inspection Group Standard. Regulation of Directorate General of Hubud and KKEP. 4. PPE and procedure. Must wear face, helmet, and safety shoes. Bonding procedure before filling. Pre-filling checklist must be filled out. Next, challenge and solution. Challenge. Peak demand during head season and holidays. Risk of aviation fuel contamination during storage. Limited tank capacity and land area. Handling fuel spills. Time pressure for aircraft fueling. Turnaround time. Solution. Stock planning and supply scheduling based on demand forecasting. Strict QC procedure, periodic sampling tests, and multi-stage filters. Optimization of receipt, schedules, and infrastructure expansion plans. Spill response procedures, ban wells, and oil trap drainage. Real-time coordination with airlines and process digitalization. The last, there is a conclusion. The first, AST Juanda is critical infrastructure in aviation supply chain, ensuring quality aviation fuel availability for all airlines at Juanda Airport. Secondly, AFT operation include reshape, quality control, storage, and distribution, all meeting international safety standards. Third, safety is the top priority. All personnel must comply with applicable procedure and regulation without compromise. And the last, digitalization and operational innovation continuously develop to improve efficiency and reliability of aviation fuel supply in modern aviation era. That is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.